Welcome to my channel, Tech Explorer. Bikerguard. Riding a motorcycle in the rain often requires bikers to manually wipe their visors, which can be both inconvenient and dangerous. The creators of Bikerguard have come up with a solution: a small, reliable wiper designed specifically for motorcycle visors. Priced at $345, this wiper uses a durable brushless motor tested and approved by the NAVYA racing team. It is waterproof and can run for 15 hours on a full charge, offering bikers a clear view and a safer ride. With a 3-year warranty, Bikerguard promises to be a game-changer for motorcyclists. Tile stickers. Renovating kitchens or bathrooms can be costly and time-consuming, especially when dealing with ceramic tiles. Tile stickers offer a budget-friendly and convenient alternative for updating tiled walls. These stickers come in various designs and are easy to apply. After thoroughly cleaning the surface, simply peel and stick the adhesive side onto the tile. The finished surface is moisture-resistant and durable, capable of hiding defects like cracks or chips. With tile stickers, you can quickly and affordably refresh the look of any room without the hassle of traditional tile work. Sleipnir Monster Glacier Bus. Meet Sleipnir, the largest glacier bus in the world, named after Odin's 8-legged horse from Norse mythology. This massive vehicle rides on 8 wheels, each as tall as a person, and is powered by an 800-horsepower engine. Sleipnir is 15 meters long, and when stood vertically, it would reach the 5th floor of a high-rise building. With 47 seats, it offers plenty of space for passengers to enjoy a thrilling ride across glaciers. Its impressive off-road capabilities allow it to handle crevices up to 3 meters deep, providing an adventurous experience for all aboard. Pegasus, the helicopter car hybrid. In today's world, traffic jams are a daily struggle for many, with the UN predicting that by 2050, 68% of the global population will live in urban areas. This will likely make traffic congestion even worse. Enter Pegasus, a revolutionary mode of transportation that combines the convenience of a car with the freedom of a helicopter. Designed to drive on roads and take to the skies when needed, Pegasus can easily navigate through traffic. On the ground, it reaches speeds of 120 km/a with a range of 420 kilometers. In the air, it can fly for up to 3 hours at speeds of 160 km/h. Looking ahead to the 2030s, the company behind Pegasus aims to produce 900 units annually, potentially transforming how we think about commuting. Pinnacle Finetza. Pinnacle, a leader in India's auto conversion market, has created a unique hybrid vehicle that combines a motorhome with a caravan, the Pinnacle Finetza. Capable of accommodating up to 8 people, the Finetza features a retractable rear section, a glass roof, and a home theater. It also includes essential amenities like a toilet, shower, and various appliances and furniture. Pinnacle's production rate of 500 vehicles per month highlights their efficiency and ambition. The Pinnacle Finetza is available for an estimated price of $100,000, making it a luxurious yet practical choice for travelers. Skycab. The Skycab is an innovative enclosure for snowmobiles designed by Italy-based LMAN Cabin to keep riders warm and dry. Made with a strong aluminum and high-resistant steel frame and plexiglass and laminated glass windows, it weighs around 154 kg and can accommodate 3 passengers. It attaches to the snowmobile's frame without affecting stability. Ideal for long-distance trail biking, cottage owners, and ice fishers, it is compatible with major snowmobile brands like Yamaha, Polaris, Arctic Cat, and Ski-Doo. Released in January 2014, it enhances comfort and usability in snow conditions. Navia Arma. The Navia Arma is a cutting-edge, eco-friendly autonomous bus controlled by a special computer program without human intervention. It accommodates 10 to 15 passengers, with seating for 11 and space for 4 standing passengers. The bus features an air conditioning system and a special ramp for disabled passengers. With an average speed of 12 to 15 mph and a maximum speed of 27 miles per hour, it offers a modern and comfortable transportation solution. Passengers can use a dedicated app to check schedules and reserve seats. Dieblus Handheld Turbofan. The Dieblus N607 Handheld Turbofan is super lightweight, even lighter than a pack of Oreos at just 190 grams. Despite its small size, this fan is incredibly powerful, blowing air at a speed of 10 meters per second and spinning at 13,550 RPM, 3 times faster than similar fans. It features 5 different speed settings and a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 12 hours. Priced at $30, this fan is perfect for keeping cool on hot days, whether you're at a festival, hiking, or just lounging at home. Stay refreshed with the compact yet mighty N607 fan. The Aston Martin DBX is hailed as the best crossover luxury SUV of 2023 by Lux Digital. As Aston Martin's first SUV, it combines the brand's signature style and performance with the practicality of an SUV. The DBX features a sleek and sporty design, a refined and comfortable interior, and an array of technology and safety features. Under the hood, it boasts a twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers 542 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, making it both agile and enjoyable to drive. For those seeking a luxury SUV that offers both crossover versatility and sporty performance, the Aston Martin DBX stands out as an excellent choice. TopBrewer. Coffee lovers, rejoice! The TopBrewer by Danish specialists, Scanomat is a sleek and innovative coffee machine that looks like a regular tap but dispenses high-quality coffee. Hidden inside a cupboard, it saves counter space and is controlled via a mobile app. The app allows you to customize your drink, adjusting parameters like intensity, sweetness, milk, and foam. Besides coffee, TopBrewer can also provide sparkling water and boiling water for tea. This state-of-the-art machine offers a luxurious coffee experience at home without the need for a barista. Phantom 750K Plus Sever 750K airboats. 10 years ago, a company began manufacturing airboats, and their creations have since been instrumental in various tasks, including transporting people and goods to remote locations. One of their standout models, the Phantom 750K, can carry up to 1.8 tons and reach speeds of 150 km/h thanks to its 430 horsepower engine. With space for 8 passengers, it's ideal for work, hunting, or fishing trips. The Phantom 750K features double soundproofing and tinted glass for comfort and privacy. The basic version is priced at around $141,800, with customizable options available through their online design tool.